karon mga tumi karon sa airport kay hatun ako kung mga bata. Agi lang. So, sila rin mabukasyon dito sa Manila. So, okay guys.
Now we're heading to airport. Kila.
Yeah.
Yay!
What a nice. Diyan. Ito ingon na papunta na lang diha sa sulod na. Ay mo kaupang tana. Yung ID asa yung ID.
Manila Ninoy Aquino International Airport will now depart from gate 5.
Wow. Gili.
Hello guys. Nako diri karon sa sakyanan kay ako mga kids si Jan, si Michael, si Mitzi. So mga to sila Manila, mag-vacation. Naami diri sa Luyo kay Luyo sa airport. So gusto sa kumutan-aw nga mo ngadto na sila padong sa Manila. So first time experience. So I'm happy for them nga naka-experience sila sa ilang pangidaron karon. At least nga naka-experience sila sa Manila og travel. Karon naghuwat ko diri karon kay ari man diri moagi ang airplane padong sa Manila. So I will show you guys the airplane. Cebu Pacific airplane. Wow. Wow. Ano na? Bye-bye. Manila airplane. So kay feeling sa nila ron. Layo na.
Walkers doors are priority. We request all guests to pay attention to announcements from the flight deck and cabin crew. Your usual patience, full cooperation, and compliance are highly appreciated. Please do not.
Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific. Make first moments happen.
We're already here in Manila.
Yeah. This is the GSIS Government Service Insurance System.
We're here at the restaurant. Michaela is choosing. Everyone is choosing
Their
what
food, what to eat.
want to eat.
Yeah.
Witty. What yours, Kayla?
Well, I think she wants to have the shrimp tempura. I think. Yeah. Or there's prawns. The prawns are much bigger.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna have some. Yeah, just order.
What's yours, Mitzi?
What is this?
Not yet.
Pusit. What is that? Dog.
I'm scared of that.
Our food today.
Why?
Yeah. Hey, take some of these.
Shrimp. Okay. Michaela. Wow. We're done eating our dinner.
Good for 10 hours.
The hotel is
After 10
raining.
hours, they have
Now we're
200
heading to
pesos
our
overtime
hotel.
per hour. And I don't get the overtime. The overtime will all goes to
It's
the
very rainy.
Just look at.
Yeah, because you know, my drivers and me are being agreed to have a so-called per trip basis.
See you.
I know you got the swimming pool.
We're taking the room. Kayla. Your bed.
I'm mad because
TV.
you never give you guys cookies. I have cookies on mine.
Okay, coffee. Bathroom.
Oh, yes,
See you.